Hello, dear listeners. A lovely, sweet, and beautiful welcome to everyone here on the Easy Fluent English podcast. This is a place where we practice English through real conversations, calm, natural, and easy to understand. We know our channel is still small, and maybe some people might take it lightly, but there is something special here that many people don't realize yet. This podcast can slowly help improve and grow your life, especially your English communication skills.
The true uniqueness of this channel is very simple. We try to help your English grow through motivation, real conversation, and daily practice. That is the secret of this channel. So if you are someone who wants to learn English without heavy grammar pressure, without complicated rules, just through listening and real conversations, then this video is truly for you.
Now we are about to move into today's main conversation. But before we start, I want to ask you one small thing. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Easy Fluent English so you never miss our upcoming secret lessons and conversations. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Tell us the name of your favorite football player. All right then, let's begin today's conversation. Jimmy, today I want to talk about something very important for English learners: how to introduce yourself confidently.
That's a great topic, TK. Many learners actually know English, but when the moment comes to introduce themselves, they suddenly feel nervous.
Exactly. Their heart beats fast, their mind goes blank, and they think, what should I say first?
But the truth is, introducing yourself doesn't need big vocabulary or complicated grammar. It just needs a calm voice and simple sentences.
Let me tell you a small story. A young learner named Rahim joined an English-speaking club for the first time. When the teacher said, "Please introduce yourself," Rahim felt a little scared. He thought everyone else spoke perfect English.
That's a feeling many learners have.
Yes, but Rahim took a deep breath and started with a simple sentence. He said slowly and clearly, "Hello, everyone. My name is Rahim. I'm really happy to be here today." Suddenly, the room felt friendly. People smiled.
That's the secret. Start simple. For example, "Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from a small city and I'm learning English because I want to communicate with people around the world." This kind of introduction is clear, natural, and confident.
Exactly. Then you can add something personal. For example, in my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to English conversations to improve my speaking. When you speak like this, people feel your personality and sincerity.
Many learners think confidence means speaking perfect English, but confidence actually means speaking even if your English is not perfect.
That's right. Confidence is saying, I'm learning, I'm improving, and I'm not afraid to speak.
Let's imagine a real situation. You meet someone new at a seminar. You smile and say, "Hello, my name is Sarah. It's really nice to meet you. I'm currently learning English because I want to connect with people from different cultures."
See how warm that sounds? It's simple, friendly, and confident.
Every confident speaker you meet today once had their first introduction. Their voice may have been shaky, their sentences may have been simple, but they started.
And that's the most important step. So the next time someone asks you, "Tell me about yourself," just smile and say, "Hello, my name is," and I'm excited to learn and grow.
Because every introduction is not just about your name. It's the beginning of a new conversation, a new friendship, and a new opportunity.
So speak calmly, speak proudly, and let your voice be heard. Jimmy, many learners ask one question: why should we learn to introduce ourselves confidently in English? It seems like a small thing, but actually it's very powerful.
That's true, TK. Introducing yourself confidently is often the first step of communication. When you can do this well, you open the door to many conversations.
Exactly. Think about a real situation. Imagine a student named David joining an international workshop. Many people are there from different countries.
If David stays silent because he feels shy, he may lose many opportunities to speak English.
But if David walks up and says politely, "Hello, my name is David. I'm learning English and I'm excited to meet new people," suddenly the conversation begins.
And once the conversation starts, David gets chances to listen, speak, learn new words, and build confidence.
That's why introducing yourself confidently helps your English grow. It changes you from a silent learner into an active speaker.
Every confident speaker you meet today once had their first introduction. Their voice may have been shaky, their sentences may have been simple, but they started.
And that's the most important step. So the next time someone asks you, "Tell me about yourself," just smile and say, "Hello, my name is," and I'm excited to learn and grow.
Because every introduction is not just about your name. It's the beginning of a new conversation, a new friendship, and a new opportunity.
So speak calmly, speak proudly, and let your voice be heard. Let's imagine another learner, Lena. At first, she was very nervous to speak English, but she practiced a simple introduction every day. "Hi, my name is Lena. I'm from Indonesia, and I love learning English because it helps me connect with people around the world."
After saying this many times, Lena became comfortable speaking English. Soon, she started asking questions and sharing ideas. Her English improved naturally.
So the real reason is simple. Confidence creates conversation, and conversation creates improvement. When you introduce yourself confidently, you are telling the world, "I'm ready to communicate. I'm ready to learn."
Jimmy, many learners want to introduce themselves confidently in English, but they ask an important question. How can we practice this at home?
That's a very practical question, Jimmy. The good news is that confidence can be built step by step, even at home.
The first step is simple. Take a notebook and write a short introduction about yourself. For example, "Hello, my name is Michael. I'm from a small town and I'm learning English because I want to speak with people around the world."
Writing helps organize your thoughts. When your ideas are clear on paper, it becomes easier to speak them.
The second step is very powerful. Stand in front of a mirror and practice your introduction. Look at yourself and say, "Hi, my name is Anna. It's nice to meet you. I'm learning English to improve my communication skills."
When you practice like this, you train your voice, facial expression, and confidence at the same time.
Another helpful method is recording your voice. Say your introduction and listen to it. Example: "Hello everyone. My name is Daniel. I enjoy learning English and meeting new people."
When you listen to your recording, you can notice pronunciation, speed, and clarity.
Confidence grows through repetition. Practice your introduction every day for 5 to 10 minutes. After some days, the sentences will feel natural.
Your mind will remember the structure, and when you meet someone, the words will come smoothly and naturally.
Once you feel comfortable, add more information. For example, "Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm learning English because I want to travel and communicate with different cultures. In my free time, I enjoy reading and listening to English conversations." This makes your introduction more interesting and personal.
So the home process is simple. Write, practice in the mirror, record, repeat daily, add details.
And remember, confidence doesn't come in one day. It grows slowly, like a seed becoming a strong tree.
Practice calmly, enjoy the process, and soon introducing yourself in English will feel easy and natural. Jimmy, when learners ask, "What vocabulary do I need to introduce myself confidently?" it's actually easier than they think. You don't need complicated words, just simple, clear, and everyday vocabulary.
Exactly, TK. Let's break it into small categories so anyone can use them comfortably.
You need simple greetings to start. Examples: hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, nice to meet you.
For example, you can say, "Hi, my name is Jack. Nice to meet you."
Always use phrases to share your name. My name is dash. I'm dash. You can call me dash.
Example, "I'm Jimmy and I'm happy to be here."
People usually ask about your location. Use I'm from dash, I come from dash, I live in dash.
Example, "I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I've lived here all my life."
Say what you do. I'm a student, teacher, engineer, artist. I work in dash, I study dash.
Example, "I'm a student and I'm learning English to improve my communication skills."
Sharing hobbies makes your introduction more personal. Phrases: I enjoy dash, I like dash, my hobbies are dash.
Example, "I enjoy reading, listening to English podcasts, and traveling."
It's useful to tell why you are learning English. I'm learning English to dash, I want to dash, my goal is to dash.
Example, "I'm learning English to meet new people and speak confidently."
Finally, finish your introduction with polite and friendly words. Nice to meet you. Thank you for listening. I'm happy to be here.
Example, "Nice to meet you all. I'm happy to be here today."
Jimmy, notice something. Even a short introduction uses only 20 to 30 simple words, but it creates a strong impression.
Exactly, TK. Focus on clarity, confidence, and friendliness, not complexity. With these words, anyone can introduce themselves confidently.
Start with these. Practice every day, and soon your English introductions will feel natural and warm. Jimmy, many learners ask me, what if I don't have anyone to practice introducing myself in English?
That's a very common concern, TK. The truth is, you don't need anyone else to improve. You can practice alone, and it can be just as powerful.
Stand in front of a mirror and pretend you're meeting someone. Look at yourself, smile, and speak clearly.
For example, say, "Hello, my name is Lena. I'm learning English because I want to meet new people and travel. Nice to meet you."
Watch your expressions, gestures, and posture. A confident stance makes your voice sound stronger and natural.
Use your phone to record yourself, then listen carefully.
You can notice pronunciation errors, pauses that sound unnatural, words that feel unclear.
After listening, repeat and improve. Every day, your voice will sound smoother and more confident.
Yes, Jimmy, you can even practice to objects like a cup, a plant, or a notebook. Treat it as a person. Example: Hi, I'm Rahim. I enjoy reading English books and listening to podcasts. Nice to meet you.
It sounds funny at first, but it trains your brain and mouth to speak without fear.
You can speak English while walking, cooking, or drinking tea.
Example, "Good morning. My name is Jimmy. Today I feel excited to practice English and improve my speaking."
This makes practicing part of your daily life, not something stressful.
You can also use language apps or AI voice assistants to practice speaking. Example, introduce yourself to the app. Repeat after it. Ask questions and answer.
Even without a human, you get feedback, repetition, and real conversation practice.
The key is consistency. 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough.
Yes, small daily practice builds confidence, fluency, and memory. Soon, you'll introduce yourself naturally, even in front of real people.
Remember, Jimmy, all fluent speakers started alone. They spoke in mirrors, recorded themselves, and practiced daily. Exactly, TK. Don't wait for someone else. Start now. Confidence grows from action, not from waiting for the perfect moment.
So, even alone, you can speak, repeat,
correct, and improve. Your English journey is in your hands. Jimmy, have you noticed that some times of the day feel more productive than others?
Yes, TK. I feel my mind is sharp in the morning and surprisingly calm and focused at night.
Exactly. These are the best times to practice English, especially speaking.
Let's start with the morning. Imagine Sarah, a learner. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m., makes a cup of tea, and spends 20 minutes introducing herself in English.
She says, "Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm learning English to communicate confidently. Today, I'm excited to practice."
At this time, the mind is fresh, focused, and less distracted. Words come more naturally and memory retention is high.
Exactly. Even a short 10 to 15-minute morning session can give a huge boost to fluency over time.
Now, night practice is just as powerful. Imagine David sitting by a window while it's raining. He speaks quietly to himself. Today, I learned new words like confident and polite. Tomorrow, I will use them in conversations.
At night, the world is calm. The mind reflects on the day's experiences. Practicing English now makes sentences stick in your memory better.
Also, practicing before sleep can reduce stress and make your brain unconsciously remember vocabulary and sentence patterns.
Let me share a real example. Rahim, a learner, practices in the morning for 15 minutes, mirror speaking and repeating 10 sentences. At night, he listens to a podcast, repeats sentences softly, and records his voice.
After just a few weeks, Rahim notices something amazing. In morning, he speaks with energy and confidence. At night, he speaks smoothly and naturally, recalling words easily.
This combination makes English flow naturally without stress or pressure.
Remember, even the most fluent speakers started where you are now. Today, a little practice. Tomorrow, a little more. And slowly, step by step, you will shine.
Thank you for listening to us today. We hope this conversation inspires you to introduce yourself with confidence, warmth, and calmness.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy every moment of your English journey.
Until next time, stay confident, stay calm, and keep speaking English.
Yes, and remember, every small effort you make today is your step toward fluency tomorrow.
Thank you, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next episode.